Ndewono, aha m bụ Nwada Chioma. Aha chanel a bụ Igbo Academy. Tata anyị ga-ekwu maka sex related terms in Igbo language. Sex related terms. Number one, we're going to talk about child delivery. Child delivery in Igbo means ịmụ nwa. Ịmụ nwa. But to put it in a lighter way, people will say irida. Irida means to come down. Nwaanyị ahụ amụgo nwa or nwaanyị ahụ aridago. Nwaanyị amụgo nwa or nwaanyị aridago. It means that the person has put to birth or the person has delivered the child. Number two, we have menstruation. Menstruation means ịhụ nsọ. Ịhụ nsọ or nsọ nwaanyị. That is what it means in Igbo. But to put it in a more positive, lighter form, that's euphemism, it means you hear things like ihonwa. Ihonwa means to see the moon. We know that the menstruation comes once in a month. And the full moon comes out once in a month. So when a woman is seeing her period, to say it in a lighter form, you not just come out where people are and say, I'm seeing my period. No. There are lighter ways that you say it. You say it like when you say that you're seeing your moon, that you're seeing the moon, it means everybody will know that yes, you're on your period. Then another one is inwonyobia. That's to say the menstruation in a lighter term. Inwonyobia. Inwonyobia means to have a visitor. When you tell somebody, onyobia ma abego, my visitor has come, everybody will know that you're seeing your period. You don't have to say, I've seen my wholesome. It's somehow to the ear. According to the Igbo language, they prefer, if you want to say it in a lighter term. But if you're with your mother, your friend, that is someone that is very close to you, you can say it. You know, all these tabooed words, it's not that if you say there is something that somebody is going to kill you, or you're going to pay a fine, or you're going to sacrifice something to the gods if you say it. No. It's just that it's kept for you to reach a certain age of maturity so that you can discuss it. You can't just come where children are and start discussing such things about sex. You have to be advanced in age and maturity, be more matured before you can discuss them. Then the third one, to be pregnant means idime. Idime. But to say it in a lighter form, some people will say ahumbwawe. That it means body changes. Ahumbwawe. It means that your body has changed. Hey, Chioma, ahuga agbawe gokwa. It means, Chioma, you are pregnant too. The person is saying it. Someone that is not an Igbo person will not understand. But that is what it means. The person is saying it in a lighter form so that you not feel embarrassed too. Like, okay, let me assume every year I get pregnant. Someone sees me and say, Chioma, I'll feel like, what is your problem? Why are you telling me that? Is it your business? But if the person says, Chioma, arụgị na-agbanwekwa every year. Afọ ọbụla arụgị na-agbanwe. It's in a lighter form. I will not take it to be offensive or things like that. And another one, bo imama. When somebody say, I saw this woman and marama, afọ nwaanyị, hey, machaka, maka, imaka. You make the person feel better, and it means that the person is pregnant. Then the next one is irijuafo. Irijuafo means to be filled. Irijuafo means to be filled. So maybe you want to talk about someone that is pregnant and someone that is not an Igbo person is there. You can say, hey, afọ neka tata, orijuchara afọ, orijugo afọ. Means that I saw Neka today and she's pregnant. But the person that there's not an Igbo person that's listening to you will say you think that she has eaten plenty food. Not knowing that what you mean is that the person is pregnant. So usual form means to be pregnant. Then number 4, to have sex. To have sex in Igbo is called ira otu. Ira otu, that is to have sex. But you can't just come and say it outside like that. Just open your mouth like ira otu. People be looking at you. What's this vulgar one? Why is she talking like this? Where is this one from? You have to say it in a more polite way, in a more polished way. And example, the more polished way is iwemeko. Iwemeko means to have an affair. So instead of you to say I oh God, I cannot even talk well. What can you don't have it to say irotu, you just say iwemeko. It is a more polite, a more better way to say it than to say the actual thing. Then number 5, we have prostitution. Prostitution means akwuna. Igba akwuna. Igba akwuna. Akwuna. When someone tells you akwuna, it means you're a prostitute. Akwuna means prostitution. So instead of telling somebody, or instead of saying akwuna, it is more like offensive. You can say ibanama. Ibanama means to operate outside. So once you say that one year na banama or one can na banama, everybody know that you're talking about this man being a prostitute or this woman being a prostitute. But if you say one year about akwena, everybody will just turn. Everybody around will just everybody knows what akwena is. Once you just say this person is akwena, everybody will just turn and look at the person. Hey. But if you say this person na banama, they will just look at it. It's a more lighter way to say it. Then the last one, we have fornication or adultery. Fornication is ikwa iko. Fornication or adultery means ikwa iko. Ikwa iko. That is fornication or adultery. But a more lighter way to say it is ima apari. Ima apari means to engage in a stupid act. It is a stupid act to engage in a stupid act. Ima apari. So once you say that woka na ima apari, everybody will know that the person is fornicating, is a fornicator. So these are the sex-related terms in Igbo language, what they actually are, and a lighter way to say them so that people don't feel embarrassed or people don't look at you in a very dirty way. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe. Kemesia. Kodivazia.